Yes, welcome again. Don't forget, if you're new to my channel, hit the red subscribe button on the notification bell. A lot of persons are really surprised and scared in Akure right now because of the incident that happened. Well, without wasting much of your time, let's go back to the few informations. Just check it out. Hey guys, you're on to Symbol G's. Don't forget to subscribe and on the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram at Symbol on the mic. You can comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. Alright guys, there's an explosion that rocked Akure overnight, divided the road leading to Owo into two. Well, the explosion rocked Akure overnight, dividing houses, destroying houses, including possibility church building, Obese filling station, divided the road leading to Owo into two along the church axis. Well, to my friends in Akure just informed me that they had some crazy loud sound in their location, Akure and Ondo. I hope people in that region are safe, and I hope they won't wake up to some sad news. A loud sound was heard a few minutes ago. That was some time ago, and they are thinking it was an asteroid, and some think it's thunder. Some are thinking it's rupture of batch A. We would know the original cause later on. I'll be giving you guys more updates. So someone wrote, if Akure were to be somewhere in a better country, we would have got updates of what's happening at night. But right now, let's just stay cool and stay glued. Don't forget, hit the red subscribe button so you'll be getting more updates of what really caused this stuff going on. Thank you guys for staying by.
What's the name of this school? Kí school in Fama? Ẹ̀gbọ́n ni ẹ. Wọ́n fẹ́ kán dọ́nà ìlú yín nìyẹn o. Imagine ká ọmọ wọn lọ wá school. Somebody here.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button on the notification bell and comment your opinion on what you feel about this. Thank you for staying by.